You see here today we are going to see deterministic finite automata. Some more numericals we are going to see. The first numerical is the string W belongs to a set of all possible strings A comma B. The input alphabet is A comma B. All the possible strings. The W belongs to this particular closure. Then W mod 3 equal to 0. So here you are going to construct the deterministic finite automata. This, what is the meaning of this? W is the length of the string is the multiple of 3. It means if you are dividing with 3, that the remainder should be 0. So it means in this what are the possible strings are there? Length equal to 0. Next length equal to 3. The possible length equal to 3 is AAA, ABB, BAA, BBB, like that, all possibilities. Next length equal to 6. Length equal 9, length equal 12 is a multiple of 3, right? So how to construct the deterministic finite automata for this? So just have to take start from epsilon. The language is going to accept the empty string, that is epsilon. Then you have to accept with 3 A's. First A you are reaching one state, and one more A you are reaching this state. Then after that one more A you have to accept that particular string. So 1A, 2A, and if you are going back with A, so total how many A's are there? This is 1A, this is 1A, and one more A. So total 3 A's you are accepting. So just you are right, it is A, B, C. Similarly, A, B, B you are going to accept. First is A, then B, then B. B, A, B, A, A. B, 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 B. Right? So now you have to check it is a deterministic finite automata. Each and every state you have to give the input symbols, two input symbols. Capital A you given two input symbols, capital B also two input symbols, capital C also two input symbols. So here it is a zero length strings are here. It is a zero length. It is one length. One length. Here two lengths. Zero length, here one length, two length. Now here coming one more symbol. Now it is becomes 3 length, 4 length, 5 length. Next 6 length. It is 7 length, 8 length. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, dash, dash, dash. So, how many minimum number of states required here? If it is W mod 3 equal to 0, the number of states should be, number of states required here it is 3. Number of states required it is 3. So, like that, if you can generalize it, W mod n equal to 0. If a string length is multiple of n, so how many number of states required? N number of states required. N states required. So this is the competitive examination question they may ask. You should know the in generalized formula. If it is the string is mod n, if it is a divisible of n or multiple of n, then definitely there is a number of states should be n states required. So how you can find out the final state? It means you are getting the remainder is 0. If it is the remainder is 0, this is the final state. This is the final state. For example, they may give the problem like this: W mod n or W mod n is 1. It means the remainder is 1. It means this is the length 1. This one is going to become the final state. So W mod n equal to 2. It means the remainder. If you are dividing with specific length, the remainder you are getting is the 2. It means this is the final state. It means the remainder, it may be 0. If it is 3, I am talking about 3 in general. If it is 3, so what are the possible remainders? 0, 1 and 2. If you are getting either 0 remainder, so this first state as a final state. If you are getting 1 as the remainder, this is the final state. If you are getting 2 as the remainder, this third is the final state. So like that you can generalize this formula. You see here one more problem to construct the determinative finite automata. Here the constant is the number of A's. So number of A's, the length of this A should be equal to 2. There is no restriction for the B. There is no restriction for the B, but there is a restriction for the A. Number of A should be equal to 2. First you have to write the language L. Number of A should be 2 equal to 2. AA, ABA, ABBA, ABBA, ABA, B, dash dash dash. So every time you strictly the restriction should be number of A's. So in entire string the A may be anywhere, but the length should be equivalent to 2. The B is either it is 0 or 1 or anything, right? So first you have to start with in your problem you have to identify on which alphabet there is a restriction. First you have to take that particular alphabet. Here the restriction on A. So simply you have to take, if you are applying on A, you are applying on A and A, you are reaching to the final state. Correct? A on A, you are reaching to the final state. And what about B? If the B will come starting, it is any problem here? B will come starting equivalent to number of B's. There is no limitation for the number of B's. Either it may be 1B or 2B or any number of B's. The B may come starting any number of times followed by 2A's. No problem, because you are getting number of A's, you are getting 2. Because each and every path you are starting from this initial state to the final state. So 2 A's are compulsory. Here you are already included. The number of B's, that is not a problem. You can take any number of B's, either 0 or any number of B's. B followed by A, and here there may be any number of B's. There is no restriction on the B. And after the A, also there is no restriction for A or B's. But no, you don't take here A, because the number of A should be 2. If you are giving one more A, so you are not going to get the actual language string. Whatever the language string is there, you are not going to get. So what you have to do? There is no restriction on B. If you are getting on A, so you have to that is going to reach to the dead state, because if you are giving one A extra, 1, 2, only 2 A's you need to consider. If any of the A is coming extra, no need to consider in the language. So you have to take outside. It is that you are just for your taking it into the some other state. From this state is not going to come back. So just it is acting as a dead state. So once it is reaching here any number of A's or B's are coming, not a problem, because you are not going to consider in this part after this part, because 1A 2A is completed. If you are again one more A you are seeing, after that anything is coming, you no need to count. So this is actually A, B, C and D. So this is the problem. Here number of states are required 4. So similar type of problem, number of A's is greater than or equal to 2. You can apply number of A's, there is a restriction. Number of A's are greater than or equal to 2. It means more than 2 also possible. First you have to take language AA 2 or more than 2. AA or AAB, ABA, AABB, AABB, AAA, anything. It means there is no restriction. The restriction should be the number of A's should be 2 or greater than 2, right? Either it may be 2 or greater than 2. Simply you have to construct it. First you have to take 2 A's, 1 A and 1 A. 2 or greater than 2. After that any number of A's will come, not an issue. Here any number of B's will come, no problem. Here also no problem. Here also no problem. So it is a final state. If it is number of A's are greater than or equal to 2, so that is equivalent to 3 states required here. The minimum number of states required, it is 3. Only 3 states required. So if you are extending this to one more problem, number of A's is greater than 2 we see, number of A's less than or equal to 2. So what is the language for that? The language should be A's, A length should be 2 or less than 2 only. Either it may be null, there is no A's, no B's, there may be possibility of 1 B, no A, there may be possibility of AB, there may be possibility of AAB and AABBB, any number of things you can write. But the construction always you need to check, either the number of A's should be either 0 or 1 or 2. More than 2 you are not in a position to take, because if you are taking more than 2, that string is not comes under your language. So like that you have to change it. First you have to take it is empty string, you have to accept it is a epsilon, then you have to accept it, either it is there is no restriction here on the B, you have to give here. If you are seeing 1A, also you have to accept 2A's, by seeing 2A's also you have to accept. Here there is no restriction on the seeing B. If more than 1A, more than these 2A's if you are seeing, so definitely it is not comes under your language. Simply you have to take outside. So this just basically it is A, B, C and D. So the D is acting like as a dead state. Here how many number of states? As for this DFA, number of states should be 4. And how many number of final states are there? F, A, B, C. So I already explained the final states are not there is a possibility of multiple final states also. In this example, 1, 2, 3, total 3 final states. One more example, construct minimal DFA. The string is belongs to A comma B whole star, clean closure of AB, and the problem is here the number of A's mod 2 equal to 0. It means the even number of A's, there is no restriction on B. So what is the language here? Either it is 0A or 0B, epsilon. Either it is 2A's, 4A's, 6A's. The B's may be anything. It may become 1B here, 1B or 2B's. There is no restriction on B, but every time in the string even lengths of A should be there, because the number of A's you are dividing with 2, you are getting the remainder is 0. Is nothing but so even number of A's. You can write here even number of A's. So the DFA in the language should satisfy the number of A's are even. So see here, 2 possibilities, we already discussed the one problem. So the categories are here, one is odd and another one is even. Just you have to take the two different states. One state is representing, one is odd and one is even. So you have to accept first the strings are even lengths First I am accepting 0 length. Now it is going 1A, then again coming one more A. It means 2 A's are coming. It is accepting here. Again 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A also accepting. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A. That is also accepting. What about number of B's? Number of B's may be anything. There is no restriction on number of B's, but there is a restriction on number of A's. So here basically it is representing even, it is odd. Right? So number of states should be, how many number of states required here? Equivalent to 2. So similar problem, one more problem, number of A mod 3 equal to 0. Just a change of the problem. Here you are dividing with 3, you are getting the remainder is 0. This simple thing you have to apply here. You have to take 3 states. 0 state, the 0 state, epsilon, 1 state, 1A, 2A, then 3A. So you have to take like this. This language is multiple of 3 A's. Epsilon means there is no A, no B, and there is a possibility of 3 A's, any number of B's. After that 6 A's, any number of B's, like this. It means you are focusing on number of A's, you are not worrying about the B's. So first A, first it is accepting the 0 length. It means 0 number of A's, 0 number of B's. It is accepting here. Next you have to take 3 A's, because your language have to satisfy multiple of 3. Only you have to check number of A's should be 3, 6, 9 like that. If it is number of A's is 3, first it is applying here 1, then one more A you are applying, and again one more A applying, you are accepting here. It is 3 A's. Then 4, 5, 6 A's, 9 A's like that. So just basically it is acting like an even and it is acting like an odd. In this case, how many number of states required? 3 states required. So in general, how you can, how they may ask in the example, any competitive exam, is simply they may ask if number of A's mod n equal to 0. How many number of states are there in this type of problem? Number of states is equivalent to n. Here mod 2 states required here. Mod 3 states required. Mod n, how many number of states required? So n number of states required. Right? Based on that you can answer. So no need to find any calculation here. Just to see the what type of problem it is. So you can easily work out.